Hello everyone, Nayan here this side, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube channel. So as you can see here, this is the YouTube channel. I mean, if you go to Google and if you write youtube.com, the YouTube channel will be opening like this. Here you can see here, and after that, you can click on like sign in, because first of all, if you wanted to create a YouTube channel, you need to have a Google account, that is your Gmail account. Okay, so for that you need to sign in like this, and you can if you have already have a Gmail account, you can easily sign in like this. So you need to give your password as well. That you can see your YouTube, you have logged to your own YouTube now through your Gmail account, and you can see here the YouTube page basically. And after that, I'm gonna show you how I have created the YouTube channel. You can see if you click on here on the right top corner, you can see my channel here is written, and after that you can click on view your channel. So after viewing your channel, you can see your own YouTube channel like this here, as you can see here. And yeah, this is my logo here. So if you want to create your own logo, you can see there's a camera symbol is here. So if you click on this, you can you see anything you want to customize your YouTube channel, right? It will go to your, it is, you can see here, studio.youtube.com. If you want to customize your channel, if you want to write a description, anything you want to create on your own channel, it will go to your YouTube, studio.youtube.com basically. And here you can see there's also an option called customize channel or manage videos. Okay, so manage videos is basically it is a like how many videos you have created. So everything, it will come to your customized channel. So if you click on customized channel, it will go to your YouTube creator studio that you can see here. So you can see the channel customization user interface, it is open here basically. And here you can see there are a lot of options: layout, branding, basic info. So for a basic YouTube channel, if you want to create, you just go to your basic info here. You can put your name, your handle name that I have already created, and you can put here the description of yourself. And then you can, if you want, if you can add your channel URL as well. You can also put your links if you have already. I have my links here. I have also Instagram link is here. If you have any Facebook link, if you can add that as well. Contact info also you can add here. And in this is a basic info here. If you want to go for branding, if you see, if you want to create a logo here, you need to create the logo here only. You can, if you want to change the logo, you can change here. If you want to remove, you can also remove here. And also the main important thing you can see here, that it is already it is written here that basically if you want to create your own logo, it should be at least 98 into 98 pixels and 4 MB or less. Okay, and use a PNG or GIF here. No animations file would be considered. You can also check here your banner image if you want. If you can change or you can remove here. And also the banner image, it is written how much pixels you can put here. And also it should be 6 MB or less the size. And after that you can see you can also put like video watermark. Video watermark is none other than, basically you can see this the symbol you can add. You can see there is a button. So that's it for today's video. And also make sure, if you want to check my upcoming videos, that I'll be creating more. Thank you, and have a wonderful day ahead, everyone.